messy bench this time. I forgot to bring the saw with me. I always clean this goddamn bench up. Yeah. I was supposed to make a couple of videos. I don't know if I did or not, but I don't know. I don't think I made a video. I got a couple of things up my sleeve here today. These, I made a video with these already, so I gotta put back. Here's my bolt cutters can go down here. One hammer. Hammer can go in the drawer. Yeah, you know what? I'll skip this for now. Let's see. This is in the way. Put that over there. One of the newest things for, I guess, new tool, I found on Marketplace a pair of these. A pair of grip-on vice grips, pliers. Yeah, they're. I wanted to see how they are. They're made in Spain. They're pretty much a rip-off of vice grip, like most other things. They have one of those double springs in here, which I have a feeling over time is just gonna break, because like it's just a little spring inside here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little tiny spring right inside here. The vice grips have, I'll show you here. Vice grips have a spring inside there, and there's no spring in here. So these look like they're easier to change out because it's just a locking spring. I've never actually had a spring in a pair of vice grips ever fail. Not yet anyway. But I mean, they're pretty cool. They're bright orange. This one's a bigger one. It says grip on 12110 whatever. They're made in Spain. Just barely stamped in it. I mean, it's, if you look at a pair of vice grips here, they're vice grips. These got a few more rivets. The vice grips got a big one, so it's, yeah, you know, it is what it is. Let's see these ones. Even the newer vice grips are. But anyway, I got that. Brand new pair of vice grips. What else? I picked up a. I gotta edit out the beginning of this thing. Let me just stop this. I'll make you know what? Yeah, I'll stop it. I'll make another video.